How to find apps and websites settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find apps and websites settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here just click this one here, uh, face apps and websites. And as you see here, you can find apps and websites settings, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.